How are you all? I hope you all are good. Children, today we will learn your lesson. Who will do this work? Okay, now let's start. First of all, you have to observe these two pictures. Observe, and you must have seen people cleaning manhole, cleaning or sweeping roads, collecting garbage, like this. Now you have to think, if these people or they don't do this work, then who will do this? Okay, think and then answer. Now the theme of this lesson is things we make and do, and the sub theme of this lesson is cleanliness. And the learning outcomes of this chapter, it means at the end of this video you will be able to observe and report the different kinds of work in our society, and you will be able to observe and identify different people doing different jobs, and also you will be able to identify, classify which people are doing the cleaning work in your school, offices, and in your house and locality. And also you will be able to discuss features of lifestyle of cleaners and understand the problems faced by them. Okay, students, look at these two pictures. Yes, can you tell me who is this? Yes, he is Bhimrao Ambedkar, and this picture of his childhood. Okay, now I will tell you a story which is belong to the childhood of Bhimrao Ambedkar. Okay, this story is almost 100 years old. A 7-year-old boy named Bhim went to Goregaon in Maharashtra with his father to spend his holidays. किस लिए गए? अपनी छुट्टियां बिताने के लिए. किसके साथ? अपने father के साथ. He saw a barber cutting the long hair of a rich farmer's buffalo. What he saw? Yes, he saw a barber cutting the long hair of a rich farmer's buffalo. He thought of his own long hair, and he went to the barber and asked for a haircut. What he asked? He asked for a haircut to the barber, and the barber replied, "If I cut your hair with my razor, I will get dirty." What what did the barber reply? Yes, the barber said, "If I cut your hair with my razor, I will get dirty because you are untouchable. I can't touch you because you are a Harijan." Oh, so to cut human hair can be dirtier than cutting an animal's hair. Little Bhim think. What he thought? The little boy Bhim thought to cut a human hair can be dirtier than the cutting an animal's hair. It means एक इंसान के बाल काटना एक एनिमल के बाल काटने से कहीं ज़्यादा गंदा होता है. ऐसा क्यों था? क्योंकि बहुत पहले, फ्रीडम से पहले, आज़ादी से पहले, जो लोग लोअर कम्युनिटी से बिलोंग करते थे या फिर हरिजन होते थे, उनको लोग अनटचेबल मानते थे, उनको टच नहीं करते थे. Okay, later this little Bhim was known as Bhimrao Ambedkar. He became very famous across the world, and he fought for justice for people like him. After India's freedom, the constitution was prepared under the leadership of Baba Saheb Bhimrao Ambedkar. Who prepared our constitution? Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar. Okay, I hope you have understood this story. Now, okay, now observe these pictures. There are some pictures, and tell me, what do you observe? Yes, here is a person who ring the bell. We call him Pune, and he is a driver. Okay, like this, there are many community helpers who help us, like policeman who keeps us safe, nurse help us feel better, teacher teaches us, veterinarian heals our pets, firefighter protects us from danger, dentist he keeps our teeth healthy, doctor heals our bodies, farmer grows our food, construction worker construction worker builds houses and buildings. There are many more helpers who help us. Okay, now observe these two pictures also. First of all, you observe the first picture. What do you observe? Yes, there are some children who are cleaning the road and their surrounding area. And observe the second picture and tell me what these men are doing. Yes, these men are making the road. Now observe these four pictures and tell me what do you observe? Yes, in the first picture, a man is trying to clean the manhole. In the second picture, two women are cleaning the road. And in the third picture, a man is trying to clean the manhole. Or in the fourth picture, there are some people who are collecting garbage. Now, you have to identify these two pictures and find out the difference between these two pictures. Yes, here are sweeper and here are a teacher. Now you have to tell me the difference between the work of a sweeper and a teacher. What is the difference between these two of? Yes, what does what did the sweeper do? Yes, the sweeper cleans the road and teacher teaches us. Yes, now observe these pictures and identify the problems faced by these peoples. Identify, think. Yes, the people who have to do this work feel it very difficult, hard, dirty, and laborious. People generally don't behave properly to these people who clean toilet, roads, manhole. They consider them untouchable as they belong to low community or lower community. Now observe this picture and tell me what do you observe? Yes, there are few people are trying to clean manhole. Why they need to this kind of work? ऐसा क्यों करते हैं वो लोग? ताकि हमें प्रोटेक्ट कर सके. मैन होल की सफाई से क्या होता है, कम्युनिटी के आसपास की सफाई भी होती है, हमारी लोकेलिटी की सफाई होती है और हम बीमारियों से बचे रहते हैं. सो दे डू दिस फॉर आवर प्रोटेक्शन. व्हाट काइंड ऑफ डिफ़िकल्टीज डू दे फेस इन डूइंग दिस वर्क? क्या क्या प्रॉब्लम्स होती हैं? यस, नाउ वी हैव टू डिस्कस features of lifestyle of cleaners and the problems faced by them. The biological hazards, it means biological problems क्या क्या होती है? It includes exposure to infections, pathogens, bacteria, fungi, etc., which can be quite harmful yet are prevalent in the cleaning services. Chemical hazards, if a cleaning worker is working in an enclosed area, the fumes from powerful chemical could result in health risking indoor air quality. Physical hazards, cleaning is very difficult, hard and laborious work. Okay, now you have understood the problems they face. It means उनको physically भी problems बहुत सारी होती हैं, उनको सांस लेने में प्रॉब्लम हो जाती एंड दे फील दे हैव टू लिव इन वेरी पुअर एयर क्वालिटी एरिया. Okay, now there are some critical and creative thinking questions. Now you have to think and answer these questions. The first one is why most of the cleaning work outside the house is done by men. And the second is why most of the cleaning work is inside the house is done by women. Now tell the profession you want to choose and why. And tell the problems faced by the cleaners. How can you help them? Okay, and there is an activity you have to do. You have to take an interview with a domestic worker who work in your home. It means if you have a maid in you at your home, ask them few questions like this: since when they have been doing this work, the second is how much they have studied, and the third one, did their elders in their family also do this work. Okay students, I hope you have understood the concept of this video. Now the solve the given worksheet. Thank you.